Hi, I Aniket Kanade. Welcome you to this CKAD Masterclass for learning Kubernetes. In today's session, we are going to learn about what is CKAD or Certified Kubernetes Application Developer. How is the exam conducted, what consists of CKAD, and what level of preparation is required for CKAD. This is going to be a quick session, so let's CKAD stands for Certified Kubernetes Application Developer. It's a certificate offered by CNCF, which stands for Cloud Native Container Foundation. CNCF is the governing body that hosts several open source applications. CKAD is a very good way to start learning Kubernetes because CKAD certificate provides structured approach to learning Kubernetes, and it also provides a target to achieve. And don't get fooled by the word application developer in the name of the certificate, because the certificate itself is more geared towards application deployment and application configuration than application development. Let's take a quick look at CNCF webpage for CKAD. This is how CKAD is defined on CNCF webpage. If you go down further, you'll find the information about registering for the exam and how to train for the exam. The cost right now is $395, but if you hunt for coupons when you are serious about registering for the exam, I'm sure you would be able to find a cost much cheaper than this. Also note that the cost includes a free retake of the exam in case you can't clear it in the first attempt. Then the page talks about what you achieve in this exam. By passing the exam, you get the working knowledge of container images, applying CNCF concepts, working and validating Kubernetes resource definitions, which is the delivery and deployment aspect of the Kubernetes. Then on the exam details page, you get the breakup of the curriculum, the weightage for application design, application deployment, application observability and maintenance, application environment, and services and networking. Around every topic has equal weightage. Environment has 25%, observability has 15%, and everything else has 20% weightage. One important thing to note about CKAD exam is it's completely hands-on. It consists of around 16-17 questions where you have to work on actual clusters, either fixing the problem or deploying new resources, configuring new services, etc. There are no theory questions and there are no multiple choice questions, which are quite a feature in other exams. The official CKAD curriculum is more divided in terms of Kubernetes functionality. But from learning point of view, we are going to divide the curriculum around Kubernetes objects. So this is how we are going to cover the topics required for CKAD. Kubernetes overview, which talks about what is Kubernetes, how to install Kubernetes, and how to work with Kubernetes. All about pods, replica sets, and deployments. In this, we will cover all the topics around pods, configuring pods, deploying the pods in a way of replica sets and deployments, upgrading the deployments, etc. All about services and networking, how the pods can be reached from the external world, how can pods communicate with each other, which is covered under Kubernetes services and networking. Configuring and troubleshooting pods and services, Kubernetes security, and Kubernetes observability. So that's it about CKAD. Thank you for watching and hope you found it useful.